Okay. Hey guys, Vikings are 6-1.
Everybody comes away extremely impressed. Ball to Peterson. Down to the 20-yard line. 4 seconds.
4 seconds remaining. Jeez, this is intense.
It's just absolutely freight train William Gay. There's not a whole lot of people out.
He got intercepted. This could have given them the lead, but it was an epic fail. If they get it, then they're gonna go for no, if they get the touchdown, wait, yeah, they're gonna go for onside. Then Steelers get it, they kneel, game's over. No, it's gonna be incomplete actually.
The Vikings suffer their first loss of the season. For Darryl and Tony, Kenny Albert, so long from Pittsburgh, now to Kirk Menasby.
But that really doesn't matter, because they're going to the playoffs. So, hold on. Let's put it towards the TV. I'm going to put you to the Falcons-Cowboys game.
And Jimmy will get in 2 of our you saw it thus far, and you got to put out the first time this year, and the Steelers who have now won 4 straight. Elsewhere, Favre heads to Green Bay and Lambeau Field next week. He'll do it against a Packer team that's now 4-2. San Francisco down 21-0 at halftime. Changed quarterbacks. Alex Smith came in and made a game of it, but they still lose by 3 in Houston. The Chargers roll, knocking off the Chiefs by 30. Indianapolis just keeps on doing what they do. Following Peyton Manning in a 42-6 victory, he had 3 touchdowns
Steelers
in that
defeated the
one.
Vikings.
And in London,
Can I have
the New England Patriots no trouble keeping the Bucs winless.
I'm going to film the,
Up next, we'll get to see Atlanta and Dallas. What are we going to do, Jimmy?
Another few talk that Jason Garrett, the offensive coordinator for Dallas, needs to let Tony Romo go and free him up, let him take it down the field. He's running the ball so well. They're on a record pace right now as far as
Is it okay if you do it like this,
and the other
though?
thing, Atlanta
No,
has
I
a
need it on the
difficult
couch.
stopping
On the
run.
couch?
If they don't
I'm
get a
gonna be on
turnover,
the
they don't
couch.
stop people. So I'd say keep running the football. That's what you
Fine,
do.
I'll turn it.
I think you look at
I'll
this
turn
one,
it.
I
I'm
think
gonna
it is
pick it up.
Dallas, but I think what
We'll
Atlanta
finish
has to
whatever
do
your
is
video
get there,
is.
be able to-
Vikings go 6-1. Steelers have defeated the Vikings. I'm going to say bye. Bye.